So, hello students, welcome back to your physics class. So now, in this sessions, we will solve some more problems on your conservation laws. So the formula, which we have explained and derived. So in this class already I have mentioned all in the remaining two previous sessions. So m1 v1 plus m2 v2 is equals to constants. The position vector of center of mass RCM is equal to m1 r1 plus m2 r2 divided by what is m1 plus m2, and velocity of center of mass VCM is equal to m1 v1 plus m2 v2 divided by m1 plus m2. And next one is velocity of the rocket at any instant of time t, v equals to v naught plus small v log of m naught by m. Angular momentum L is equals to r cos t plus equals to I omega. Torque is equals to R into F, and work is equals to F into S. Power is equals to F dot V. Okay. So this is a formula so that we have discussed in this chapter. Okay. So let's see the problems. A block is displaced by 3 meter when a force of how much is 200 Newton is applied on it on an inclined surface which is at an angle of how much is 50 degree with the horizontal line. So what is the work done on that block? So we know that when that applied force makes an angle with displacement of an object, then work done by the force on an object is given by W is equals to Fs or cos theta. So here the applied force is 200 Newton and the displacement moved by that your object is how much it is 3 meter, and the angle between your applied force and the displacement is 50 degree, and you will substitute all these values so inside these equations. So you will get 600 into the cos 50 is 0.64 meter, and that's you multiply these two terms, so you will get what 384 Newton meters. So this much of what work done on that, what it is block when a force of how much is 200 Newton is applied on it. Okay. Next, another example. A crate of mass 50 kg is pushed along a floor with a force of 20 Newton for a distance of 5 meter. Calculate the work done. So work done is equals to, we know that the force to the displacement, the applied force is here 20 Newton. Okay, so this how much is the moment of that your object, the distance moved by that your object is 5 meter. So therefore, work done is equals to how much is 100 Newton meter. But energy transferred equals to what? Work done. Energy is measured in joules, so Newton meter must be what? Same, be the same unit. And this means we can say that work done on that your object equals to 100 joules. Okay. Next, another example. So how far must a 5 Newton force pull a 50 gram toy car with 30 joule of energy are transferred? So again, the work done on that your object is given by force to displacement. The amount of force acting on a 50 gram of toy equals to how much is 5 Newton. Okay, and the amount of energy work done on that your object is 30 joules. So then what is the displacement of your what object is? So work done is equals to force to displacement. So rearranging this equation. So therefore D is equals to work done divided by forces. So 30 divided by it is 5. So D is equals to what? 6 meters. When 5 Newton is acting on a 50 gram of toy, okay. So when you will what? You are getting what? The distance moved by that your object is 6 meters. Next, another examples. So in this chapter is a football of mass 2.5 kg is lifted up to the top of a cliff that is 180-meter high. How much potential energy does the football gain? So we know that the potential energy of your object, any object, E is equals to E is equals to mg into h. The football is having a mass of what is 2.5 kg and acceleration due to gravity is 9.8. So approximately here we are taking what 10 meter per second square. And it is at a height of how much it is 180 meter from the ground. Then the potential energy produced by that football is just modifying all these terms. So you get what 4,500 joules. Okay. A person of another example is a person of mass 70 kg runs up a flight of stairs with a vertical height of 5 meters. If the trip takes 7 seconds to complete, calculate the person's powers. So here the what amount of work is done, work done by your persons. So which is the weight of that person is person of what mass 70 kg runs up flight of stairs. So the mass of that object is 70 kg and acceleration due to gravity is again is 10 meter per second square, and so how much of height is there? That's 5 meter, and modified all these terms, so you'll get what 3,500 joules. So in order to have enough power of that person's work done per unit time, so we know that what the time rate of doing work is nothing but what is a power. So therefore, power of that person is given by and what the amount of work done divided what time taken in order to finish that work is. So 3,500 joule divided by 7. So that with the power of that person, so is equal to what 500 watts. Okay. So with this, your entire chapter is completed. Thank you.